Hello and welcome back. Susan Zumo here, intuitive and originator of soul patterning harmonics. Today's message comes from my Galactic Brother, Aharon. Now don't get too excited about that name or look it up or anything like that. It's just the sound that I was able to create based on what I was hearing when he gave me his name. Did you know that everyone wants your attention? And so today's message from Aharon is about discernment. He said, there is a war going on for your attention. You find it in commercials, in the marketing ads that come through your media feeds. Requests for you to click, shop, purchase. The plea for your attention comes from the news in all forms. Leaders, entertainers, celebrities, and even those in your life who cannot generate their own light, all are asking for your attention, which is your energy to feed their plans and desires. The question to ask is, are these my plans and desires that I am freely giving my attention and energy to? Are they in alignment with my intentions? This is where discernment comes in. Conscious discernment is needed for you to decide where to place your attention, who to give your energy to. Whatever your attention or energy or light goes, expansion takes place and creation follows. You are a grand creator. If you wish to expand negativity, fear, arguments, division, and hatred, continue to immerse yourself in the news, in the strife, in the conflicts and the divisions that are fueled by the attention grabbers. Invest your energy consciously. Make an effort to be aware of what your energy and focus invests in. Be aware of where you place your attention and your energy. As co-creators already steeped in fourth dimension frequency, emotions become reality. Thoughts become reality. Perceived joys and fears become reality. Avoid feeding the desires of others who are not in alignment with your light frequency by withdrawing your attention. Focus instead on the light, the love, and the joy you desire to create in your own life. This will bring you great benefit. So there it is. That's the message for today and the message for this week in September. Until next time, many, many blessings.